In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell print-on-demand mugs on Etsy using Printify, a fantastic way to kickstart your online side hustle in 2024. Sourcing products and managing inventory are often considered major hurdles for online sellers. Fortunately, with print-on-demand services like Printify, you can bypass these obstacles by creating and selling custom products without ever worrying about production or shipping. First, let's open up Printify's website and log into your account. If you're new to this, you'll need to create an account, which is a pretty straightforward process involving typical steps like email verification. Once you're in, navigate to the catalog section displayed on your dashboard. Inside the catalog, you'll find a variety of categories. Click on the Home and Living category, and then proceed by selecting Mugs. Here you'll find a vast array of options to choose from. Take your time to scroll through and select a mug style that best fits your vision. After selecting the mug, the next step involves choosing a provider. It's best to explore a few options. Providers may differ in pricing, shipping locations, and production times, so pick one that aligns with your business needs. Once you have your provider selected, it's time to bring your creative vision to life by hitting the Start Designing button. On the left side menu, you have two options. You can upload your design if you've created one externally, or you can use My Library if you already have some design saved on Printify. Choose the design you want to adorn your mug and click on it to start refining the details. Now that you have your design on the mug template, you can adjust and reposition it as needed. It's essential to ensure your design is well positioned, whether you prefer it on the left, right, or centered on the mug. This customization plays a critical role in the final appearance of your product, so spend a little extra time here to get it just right. On the right side menu, you'll find an option to select the product variants you wish to offer. You can select different sizes, colors, and styles depending on what is provided by your selected supplier. Once you are satisfied with your selection, save your product by clicking the button located at the bottom right corner. The next step is about presentation. Choose mockups for how you want your mug to appear in your Etsy listing. Ensure that the mockups clearly display your design, as this is what will attract potential buyers. Save your selection when you're happy with the results. Finally, it's time to publish your product. Once you click Publish, you'll need to wait a bit for your listing to go live. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of setting up and displaying a custom printed mug on Etsy, ready to attract buyers and start generating income. Congratulations on taking the step towards starting your print-on-demand journey.